Viewers, cutting across to West Bengal, from where we're getting a fresh breaking news. As many as 6 people have been reported to be dead and several others are injured after an alleged explosion was reported in Pathar Pratima in the South 24 Praganas district in West Bengal. The leader of the opposition in the West Bengal Legislative Assembly said that in another incident on the 4th of February, at least 4 people lost their lives at the same spot in Pathar Pratima. And today, at least 6 people have been killed. That's what's being reported. And many others, scores of others, are injured after an alleged explosion was reported in Pathar Pratima in the South 24 Praganas district in West Bengal. These are the visuals on your screens. Stranded families of those killed or injured in the explosion, looking helpless and no sign of authorities around. While we do not have all the details into what unfolded, we know that for now, at least 6 people have been reported to be killed and scores of others are injured in West Bengal after an alleged explosion was reported in the South 24 Praganas district. In fact, the leader of opposition in West Bengal Legislative Assembly also had a lot to say. First, we're being joined by my colleague Ridhita live from the Bangla newsroom. Ridhita, expand on this entire case. At least 6 people have been killed. That's huge. Tell us more about what unfolded.
Exactly, last night we had seen in Partho Pratim's Dakshin Raipur area where in an alleged illegal firecracker industry almost an explosion happened, and where almost we were reported that 6 people had lost their lives. And today morning, as the sources said, that there are 4 children and 4 adults who have lost their lives. Just few minutes before, the woman who was brought to SSKM is being also declared to be dead. So it is said that this firecracker industry, which was running in the Raipur Dakshin area, was given a license by the one of the TMC leaders, but the person, Chandrakanta Banik, who got arrested, under whose discretion this fire industry was running. He was the owner of this fire industry. So he's been arrested, and also his relative has stated that just to take money, this TMC leader had given a license to him, but there is still no source about, as the police, there's no police source about if it is a legal or an illegal fire industry. And the death toll has rose to 8 now, with 4 children who has lost their life, and also 3 adults till the morning, and now another woman, Shudipta Bonik, also has lost her life at the SSKM hospital in Kolkata. Back to you.
Right, Ridhita, thanks very much for bringing in that information for us. Viewers, let's also listen in to the leader of opposition in the Bengal Assembly, Sukanta Majumdar.
देखिए, अगर आप मेरा 1 महीने या 2 महीने पहले का कोई बाइट देख लीजिएगा बांग्ला में या हिंदी में, तो उसको पता चलेगा आपको कि मैंने पहले ही ऐसी आशंका जताई थी कि इस तरीके की घटना बंगाल में हर 2 महीने 3 महीने में घटेगी, क्योंकि बंगाल को ममता बनर्जी ने बम और बारूद के ऊपर बैठा के रखा है। इसको ममता बनर्जी ने खत्म कर दिया बंगाल को, और वही हो रहा है। अभी तो हुआ है, आप 2 महीना वेट करिए, 2 से 3 महीने के अंदर फिर एक ऐसी घटना घटेगी। ऐसी घटना बार बार घट रही है और बार बार घटेगी, क्योंकि जब तक ममता बनर्जी इस बंगाल की होम मिनिस्टर है। इतना नालायक होम मिनिस्टर बंगाल ने किसी भी समय में, इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद से, हमारे आज़ादी की बात से आज तक कभी नहीं, इतना इनकॉम्पिटेंट और होम मिनिस्टर कभी नहीं देखा।